What's up, guys? So, really quick, I just wanted to make this video. Another successful day. So you guys can see the stock ASL. This thing basically went from $2, from $2 all the way up to $7. Insane move. Again, I took advantage of this one. I jumped in right around here, and I got out above the $6 mark. As you guys can see, um, I got in at 354. I got out at 611. That's a $2.57 profit. And as you guys can see, 257 times 3,000 shares, $7,710 total profit. So, like, I used to think trading was difficult, but it's not difficult. Like, if you guys look at the stocks that I trade, every day it's the same patterns. It's not very difficult. It's very easy once you know the rules. Now, if you don't know the rules, you're one of these guys who just paid me this morning. So that's why I would advise you, if you want to learn, find someone who's actually doing what you want to do and who's actually profitable at it, and just hire them to train you. Like, this is a very simple pattern. It's not very difficult. And this happens every single day. And mind you, this is check this out, right? I'm going to zoom in a little bit. This is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. In 10 minutes, I made that money. So in 10 minutes, I made that money, and it's really not difficult to make money once you know the rules. You got to know the rules. And if you guys want to learn these rules, just hit me up, and we'll get you started. All right, so I got to run. Short video, but yeah, make money, you guys. It's not that difficult. You just got to learn the rules. Before I learned the rules, I used to lose money, and I used to have a hard time. But then I learned the rules, and then I learned when to get in, I learned when to get out, I learned what not to trade, and then I learned what to trade. Then it all started making sense, and now this is what I do. And all you need is about 30 minutes to an hour per day, and you're good to go. The rest of the day, I do real estate. I love real estate. I love stocks. So this is what I do. All right, guys. Enjoy your day. I'll talk to you guys another time.